Hello, everyone. Before I give you the information, it's important to know that everything I'm about to say has been verified by mechanics at a friend's workshop. First, a little context. This is the system that helps your car maintain control and stability when it detects that a wheel is slipping or the car is veering off the path you're trying to follow. When this light comes on, it could be that the wheel sensors, the same ones used by the ABS, are having issues. If one of these sensors is dirty, greasy, or damaged, the system gets confused and boom, the ESP light turns on. The solution recommended by the mechanics at my friend's shop is to clean or replace the affected wheel sensor. If that doesn't work, you should check the steering angle sensor. If the sensor is miscalibrated, for example, if the battery was disconnected or the steering wheel or rack was replaced, the car doesn't know which way you're going and the ESP light comes on. That's why you need to recalibrate the steering angle sensor with a scanner. On some models, it's enough to turn the wheel fully to the left and right and then leave it centered with the engine running. This relearns the position. If that still doesn't work, I have to tell you that, believe it or not, a low voltage battery can make the ESP go haywire. Electronic modules need stable voltage, and if the battery or alternator is bad, the system can give false alerts. The solution for this is to make sure the battery is above 12.4 volts with the car off, and that the alternator charges between 13.8 and 14.4 volts with the car running. Another thing I should mention, if the light flashes while driving, especially in curves or on wet surfaces, that's not a malfunction. It means the ESP is actively working. Now don't go away, because the tips I'm about to give you are important, and they told me I should share them with you. First tip: if the ESP light flashes only occasionally, the system is actively working. Second tip: if the ESP light stays solid, there is a fault. And the third tip: scanning the vehicle is always the ideal way to find out which sensor is failing.